Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'll be making this super scrumptious, delicious casserole. It is pork tenderloin and sweet potato casserole. Stay tuned and let's get started. What we will need is a couple of spices. I have cinnamon, thyme, and rosemary. You can also use some cayenne pepper. I also have feta cheese for when it's done. You can add that. And the dried cranberries and parsley you can add after you cook it and put it in a casserole dish just to garnish the dish. You also will need a couple of apples, a couple of red or purple onions, and some bell peppers and sweet potatoes. Maple syrup also, and extra virgin olive oil, and Pam to spray your baking sheet down with. Just wanted to let you know you can also add some pecans and some walnuts. That is really good. I had walnuts. Yeah, midnight snack. Not in this recipe today.
Preheat your oven to 400. So there is the purple onion all cut up, diced into little chunks. You don't want small pieces, you kind of want them chunky.
These are the sweet potatoes. You want to make sure they're peeled, and whenever you cut them, just make sure they're in cubes.
Yay! They're all chopped up. Now I'm going to chop up the apple into, again, cubes.
This is the bell pepper, and you just want to make sure, again, that it's in cubes. Slice it and then cube it. Sorry for this being sideways. But whenever you cut this, you just want to make sure that you cut them into chunks, not so large, because the larger the chunk, the longer it takes to cook.
Hey, little helper, how about them Braves? How about Freddie Freeman, huh? Anytime I'm in the kitchen, all he has to hear is the first cling and clang, and he's there. I had to move his little bed in, right, little buddy boy? Miles. You want an apple? He loves apples. Can we get you an apple? Yay! You want a little apple? Okay, sweetheart. Here's your little apple. Crunchy.
Now that I have everything all cut up and cubed, I'm going to put it all in a bowl, and I'm also going to add 1/3 cup of syrup and then mix it well.
We're also going to do a quick little drizzle, no more than 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
Once you have everything in the pot, and then I added the meat, and then I combined everything, I added the seasonings. I used about a teaspoon of thyme, about a teaspoon of rosemary, and also about a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of the paprika, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, just to give it a little zing. You mix all that up, and then mix it up again. Make sure that it's all mixed together.
Now that everything is on my little skillet here, it's going to go in the oven for 20 minutes at 400, and I'm going to cover it. After 20 minutes, you're going to leave it uncovered for 10 minutes or until the pork is cooked cooked well. All right, hope you enjoy, and bon appetit. I just pulled it out of the oven. I took the foil off, and I am going to stir it up and put it back in for 10 more minutes.
Well, there it is. My casserole is done. It came out pretty good, if I say so myself. I went ahead and added the feta cheese and the dried cranberries, and I also sprinkled the parsley on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.